Hey everyone, my name is Amit and today I'm going to teach you the C# for loop in the easiest way possible. If you have ever wanted a computer to repeat the same task multiple times without writing the same code again and again, then the for loop is exactly what you need. Why do we need for loop? Imagine your teacher asks you to write "I will practice coding" for 10 times. Would you write the sentence manually for 10 times? Of course not, because you are a programmer and it would be boring for you to write down, and also it will be taking time. Instead, you want someone to automatically write it 10 times for you. That's exactly what a for loop does in programming. It repeats a block of code as many times as you want. Let's look at the syntaxes. For loop would look like this. Don't worry, I just write it down and we'll discuss in meantime. So we have here integer I equals 1. That means the loop will start from 1. Then we have I less than equal 5. It means the loop will run until the I value is 5 or less than 5. And then we will increase the value of I. It is a local variable that we have taken, and then inside we will console dot write line. Inside parentheses we will type something that will print multiple times. Hello world. Okay, let's run this one. See, we wrote one line of code, but the computer printed it for 5 times. Now let's see how it works. Okay, instead of writing the hello world, we will print the value of I. Now we can see it's printed 1, 2, 3, 4. So the loop start from 1, comes to the for loop, it checks the condition, increase the value to 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and after that the condition becomes false and the loop stops automatically. Let's take an example of real life. Think about climbing stairs. You start from step 1 and then move to step 2, then 3. You keep going until the 5th step. That's exactly how a for loop works. It repeats one step at a time until it reaches the final number. So remember these 3 things. Start from a value, continue while the condition is true, increase the counter after every repetition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video with for each loop.